What is your view on the Italian situation? Markets are very falling out of bed. Is the sell-off actually justified?
Good afternoon, Francine. I think the sell-off is not justified. We are in a situation today where the fundamentals of Italy are very good. The economy is growing at a good pace, the corporates are positive, and the consumers are positive as well. Of course, there is a political uncertainty, but I think the fear of Italy leaving the euro or leaving the Eurozone is something which is overdone, and this is what has prompted the sell-off. But we should go back to reality. Italy will not leave the Eurozone, and we need to look at the good fundamentals of the country.
How much is your exposure to Italian sovereign debt, and are you changing any of that exposure?
Well, exposure to Italian sovereign debt is around 42 billion euros, which is less than our total capital. It's an exposure which has less than a 3-year duration, so it's a short-term exposure, basically, and we are very comfortable with it.
Is there anything that politicians can do, is there anything that bankers can do to actually appease the markets right now?
I think it is important that we pass a proper message to the market that the current situation in Italy is actually stable. The economy is growing very well. Every corporate client I see tell me that they have not got better quarters than the past one for the past 11 years. So the page of the crisis in Italy has been turned, and the situation is actually very good. Italian companies are exporting at a rate which is higher than the rate of other countries. They are gaining market shares. In Italy, the retail clients are consuming very well as well. So when you look at the fundamentals, there is no reason to be worried.